How to see archived stories on Facebook. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Facebook app on a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once you are inside your Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash option available at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is also mentioned as menu. Tap on it. Now, once there, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available there. Then tap on the settings. Now inside settings, scroll down and look for the activity log option available and simply tap on it. Once you tap on the activity log, you will get to see archive option available at the top left corner of your screen. You can see archive option available at those tab. Simply tap on it. Then again you can see story archive at the top left corner. Tap on it. And here your archived stories will be displayed all. So this is my anonymous account, so I do not have any archived stories, but if you do, then it will all be displayed here. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.